What is up, everyone? Little change of scenery today. We're traveling. We've been traveling. It's been driving me crazy that I haven't been able to do a technical analysis video. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do a quick little video talking about something that is foundational to technical analysis. Bitcoin's kind of at this support area, higher low support at a Fibonacci support. There could be possible bounce here, continuation of this bull market. Once again, Cardano's in this pullback of this lower trend line area of $1.90 to $2. We've been tracking pullback, meaning we're retesting it now, trying to get a breakthrough back above it. That's kind of critical for Cardano. And I can't show you the charts right now. There's just too much. We're just on the move. We had an event last night. Thanks to all of you CCV delegators and just really all of you CCV supporters, we were able to sponsor this amazing event. More to come on that and what we're doing there. But I wanted to talk about the charts and the underlying importance of something that we really need to talk about, and that is this concept of fear and this concept of buying the fear, the concept of opportunity when there's fear. I know it sounds so cliche, and it's obviously not a concept I made up. This is just in general the markets. It's in general a good approach to any market that you're in. Crypto, I would say especially, because fear gets crazy. Fear runs rampant. Emotion in crypto space, Twitter, YouTube comments, it gets pretty insane. So it's a huge thing mentally for all of us to contemplate, to meditate about, because it is really the driving thing behind all of our decisions. And that is whether you're accumulating in an uncomfortable season of fear, or if you're just dipping, you're bouncing, like you're dipping, like crypto is dipping. So, and on-chain metrics, especially recently, as kind of the greed and fear index, things have pivoted to fear once again. I think for the first time it's at a level of fear that it was in September, right before crypto actually took off and started moving up again. But on-chain metrics suggesting that short-term investors taking the brunt of the losses with this dip that we're kind of in right now. We're in the middle of it. Short-term investors taking the hit. That's to say, long-term investors, not really a big piece of all of the losses that are happening right now in this dip. That's to say, long-term investors, once again, with that macro mindset, are the ones kind of winning in this season that crypto is in. And if you think about it, if crypto continues to the upside, long-term thinkers and investors likely will be the ones winning. If things go to the downside, long-term thinkers likely will be the ones winning. And how's that? It's because they'll be the ones accumulating and buying undervalued crypto. And if you look back, right, and you think about even the last 2017 bull run, even long-term macro thinkers and accumulators in the 2015 bear market low, accumulating that, they were the winners of that 2017 run. In this last run, Bitcoin entered this bull market around a year ago, last November. Bitcoin broke the Fibonacci, the macro Fibonacci bull market doors that we always talk about. And this last year, the ones that have probably been enjoying the last year of this bull market the most are probably those long-term accumulators buying the bear market low of 2018. So it's kind of like this repeat cycle, and really data, whether it's on-chain metrics, whether it's market sentiment on social media, it's this data suggesting long-term thinkers, holders, accumulators, investors are the ones that win. And the short-term investors, the emotional, volatile investors are the ones that are losing. And so I think it's just a reminder, a wake-up call, especially as we're in the middle of a dip with potential more downside if support doesn't hold here and resistance, speaking to something like Cardano, actually holds true. If there's more downside, we hit downside targets, those, as we're on our path to that area, not saying it's definitely going to happen, but if it happens, this mindset, this macro mindset, I think could serve us all well, because all the data across the board, on-chain metrics, market sentiment, social media data, everything, it suggests that long-term thinkers are the winners. So think long, and there's the phone ringing. So that's my cue to be out. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. Let me see what this call is about. God bless.